What's up everybody? Welcome to a brand new episode of SHOEGR Care Academy. It's your boy Mojo aka SHOEGR Daddy. Today we're going to be cleaning our Air Max 1. We will be using Ultimate Kit और अगर ज़रूरत पड़ी तो मेरे पास suede kit भी है, so we're going to be using that as well since it has the suede material. Alright guys, before getting started, I'll tell you we have a collapsible bowl, we have our Ultimate Kit and we have the Shape It as well. So let's get it on. Before that, I'm going to remove the laces. Let's fill up some water, I guess. I love doing this. So we're going to be using our magic potion, sugar solution. अब इसके हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ 3 squirts डालेंगे. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to be using our Shape It just to maintain the shape so that ये easy हो जाए clean करने के लिए. That's why we call it Shape It. And it gets very easy to clean on each part since as you can see, it's getting solid. Let's go. और अब शुरुआत के लिए अगर हमारे ऊपर we have some wet dust or something like that जिसको हम नहीं चाहते कि वो problem बने बाद में, we're just gonna remove a bit with the soft brush. Let's use the liquid. We're gonna be using the soft brush. Dip it right there. So इसके ऊपर suede है, so I have to be a little careful as well. I cannot just keep rubbing it. I have to go in one motion as well. So non-suede part हमारा काफी हद तक clean हो रहा है. Now let's jump on the suede part. And yes, the soft brush actually does the magic on the suede. Yeah, as you can see, it's coming back to life. Let's move on to the midsoles. For midsoles, you know our best friend, medium brush. Let's wipe it. For the outsoles, we'll be using the hard brush. Alright, pretty sweet, right? I guess now we have to let it dry for some time because the suede is still wet and I don't want to be working on it right now. So let's just give it a time to dry. So guys, our shoe is dried up nicely. So we're gonna use our suede care kit so that कि हम इसका nap वापस लेकर आएं and the suede feels just like the way we want it to. So before that, I'm gonna tell you, it comes with an eraser and a brush. So eraser is used to, remove all the spots on your suede shoe. And the brush is used to remove the residue and bring back the nap. I'll show you just right now how it is done. So first of all, let me use the eraser on this part that you can see. I'm gonna use the eraser on specific parts first where there is, probably you should just go in one direction so that you don't mess up the whole nap. Yeah, I can see it's coming back. So as you can see, it's pretty dried from here as well. So I'm just gonna, use the eraser on most of the parts so that the whole suede comes back. There you go. My Air Max 1 is all ready to rock again. I can show you the difference. This is how it was. Before we finish the video, let's bring the laces back. And here it is. The laces are here, so the only way inside. We gotta dip it a little bit, and now I'm gonna start doing the desi stuff. Let's get that. We'll use the microfiber to remove all the solution. So I guess it's time that we tie them and show you the real difference.